Hello guys, we are going to do a video on the Maelstrom command. It's quite a powerful tool in that you can create a very dynamic twisting condition, very dynamic geometry, and it's actually building off of the twist command, which I did a tutorial earlier last year. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start a new file. I am going to go in millimeters because I like to work in that. So the first thing I want to do is that I want to create two circles, and you'll see what I'm going to get at. So I'm going to type in circle. Circle. I'm going to type 0 because I want it at that point. I'm going to make the circle that size. I'm going to offset it. Okay, so maybe 1200. And then I want to array a series of lines, and you'll see where I'm coming from. I drew a line here, so I'm going to type the array on curve command. I'm going to select this geometry and hit enter. I'm going to select this as the rail. So the default is 2, so I want to put 12 items. So I have that. So now I want to pipe these geometries. I'm going to hit multiple. Diameter, let's see what 35 gives. Oh, that's too thin. I'm going to do the command again. Let's see, 150. Let's see what that does. Okay, that's not too bad. Now I'm going to do something interesting, and I'm going to use the sub-D command. The sub-D command will make this more organic, and it'll make a more fluid geometry. So first, let me boolean this geometry so it reads as one object. And again, I do have a lecture tutorial on boolean operations. Okay, so now this is a boolean, so I'm going to go to the sub-D tools. I'm going to click on this, the quad remesh. So I want to convert this boolean geometry into quad, so I click on convert to sub-D. I'm going to hit enter. Let's see what happens when there's 2,000 points or 2,000 divisions. Okay, all right, so we have something here. Let me middle mouse click and freeze this because I want to get this geometry out of the way. So I'm going to unlock this. And I'm going to start with the Maelstrom command in plan. So let me go shaded. So I'm going to type Maelstrom. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on 0 because I want that as the center. So to make this twisting geometry, I need to start with the source. Where does the twist start? So it's here. That's the first circle. And then I'm going to be doing the twisting on this geometry, which is the second circle. And then as you can see, once I click on the command, I can start moving my mouse to create a twisting condition. And you can see it can go really deep. But for the sake of this lecture, let's do it something in between so it doesn't look too weird and too crazy. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to hit enter. And you can see that we have this geometry. So this is the Maelstrom command. You can create very dynamic objects. You just need to create something interesting initially and then do the commands, which are basically twisting prompts. So like I said again, if you need to understand the concept of twisting, look at the video tutorial on twisting. You'll see it at the end of this video. Thank you so much.